The Hang Hover Utility Rack. This is the box it comes in, and here are all the parts. Putting it together is pretty easy. It comes with these arms, and there's a button you press to help adjust the arm up and down to suit your needs. Every couple inches, there's a segment that clicks in, so you just keep going as far as you need to go, or as close as you need to go, depending on what you're trying to hook the rack onto. On the balcony, this works really well as a place to dry your clothes, or if you wanted to place some plants or flowers, or perhaps even some drinks or snacks if you're relaxing outside with some friends and don't have any balcony furniture like myself. If you're finding value in this video, please go ahead and hit that like button so we can get this video out to more really ridiculously good looking people like yourself. Now, I was able to mount this to my window as well. I suppose this would be a better spot to dry your clothes or even use as an end table if your couch is close enough to your window. If I could attach it to this other half of the window, I might actually be able to use it as an end table. That would have been cool, but alas, no luck there for me. One place I found this worked really well is actually on the door in my bedroom, or really any door in your house would work. You can just mount it on your door like this, and you get quite a bit of height so you can dry longer clothing items like pants or towels or shirts and things like that. On the website, it says that it can handle a heavy load, although it doesn't say how heavy. On the bright side though, it does come with a lifetime warranty, so I guess you can put anything within reason on it, and hopefully it's covered under their warranty. I would maybe refrain from putting anything of great value on it though, if you're gonna be doing that. This is a seemingly good product if you're looking for some portability to dry your clothes, or if you're looking to add some space on your balcony for some shelving, whether that's portable or more permanent, for some things like plants or snacks or whatever, then this might be something that you would be interested in purchasing. I'll toss a link in the description below for you guys if you're looking to purchase this. If you're into these short and to the point videos and reviews on things I buy and try, then please consider hitting that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Now, YouTube thinks you should check out this video, and I think you should check out this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.